guys, welcome to Global PTT Official Live. My name is Sarah. Do you know what is this? Guys, do you know what is this? Here on my head. Okay, it looks like the old phone or the old walkie-talkie, but actually it is new. It's a new technology. It is a POC walkie-talkie. POC means push to talk over the cellular network. Okay, and this walkie-talkie, you can use it to achieve the worldwide call between the team members. When insert the SIM card, it will be ready to use. It covered more than 200 countries. Okay, after you insert the SIM card, you can talk to your team member. After you insert the SIM card, you will get the 4G signal, and then you can talk to your team member. It's good for international communication between your team members. We can achieve the international call. But there's no monthly fee or subscription fee or platform fee. It's totally free. Where you pay is the radio and then the SIM card. Okay, do you like it, guys? If you like it, you can tag me yes on our public screen. Now let me show you the specification of this walkie-talkie. Now let me measure it first. Okay, we're going to measure the size. What is the size? How many cm? Okay, first the width. The width is 5 cm. Okay, and then the length. The length is 15 cm. You can see here, and it has a long antenna. Okay. And here we can see here the depth is 3 centimeter. Yeah, that is the size of this walkie-talkie. It's not very big, but actually it's not small too. The kilograms, it is 700 grams, including the package box. This is a package box for the walkie-talkie. It's POC, UHF, and VHF 3-in-1. There are accessories, okay, in the package. Cable wire, charger, programming keyboard, two pieces, okay, and then the earpiece headset is all in. Yeah, so when you order the radios, we're going to include in the same card, okay, the radio and all the accessories included, and you will have one account. Okay, we will offer you the manager's account for free. How the manager's account looks like? I have a manager's account, a company account here, guys. You can check. This is my account. You can log in on your laptop or on your phone. Normally we're going to log in on the laptop to manage it because it's much convenient. You can see here. This is a user profile, my company account. Okay, my group, my user. I have 18 groups, and I have 59 users, but actually I have 62 users now. And we can create groups, or you go to my user, you press here, you will see create user, and you can add more users. This is in the global PTT system through the global PTT manager's account. We offer manager's account. We also offer the dealer's account. Okay. And press the PTT button, you can send a message out. There's a beep sound. It is not old ham radio. You know, ham radio, I think you are much familiar with ham radio because the price of a ham radio or CB radio is much cheaper. Okay, our radio is new technology. It's POC radios, okay, push to talk over the cellular network. It is widely used for business, and of course you can buy it for your family because the conversation between you and your team member, it is private. Nobody can scan, nobody can monitor. Okay, and in case you lost 4G signal, sometimes if you like to go out to go hiking, to go camping, and you lost 4G, it will still work. It will work under the UHF and VHF analog. UHF and VHF analog, guys. And under the UHF and VHF is also high power. It's not like the ham radio, it was just 5,000 watt. Okay, this one is 10 watt. 10 watt, but you can connect it to a repeater. Okay, you can connect it to a repeater. How to set it? Here, go to the model selection. you can set, you can check the working mode, okay, and you can connect, you can set the CTCSS or CTCSS and then DCS and set it connected to your repeater. Okay, then this walkie-talkie will talk under the UHF and then under the VHF. Okay, it's a 3-in-1, 3 standby. When we talk under the UHF or VHF, we can press here the right button, press send. Okay, the other side, press send a message out directly. Okay, send a message out. What frequency you want to talk, you can set it by yourself directly just by click those buttons. If you're a ham radio operator, guys, we have this one. Wait me a moment. We have the cable wire, okay, for you to program this walkie-talkie. This is a walkie-talkie cable wire. You can program it, connect it to your computer. Okay, here's the interface. Connected to the right, okay, and then connect to your computer. The other side, okay, connect to the computer. Download the driver. There is a driver for you to program it, and then the software you can program it. Okay, it's not very hard. Actually, we post some videos. You can check the videos we post, and then you will know. But just follow me first, because if you don't follow me, become our subscriber first. Type here, and you can become our subscriber. Okay, after you become our subscriber, every time when I start my live, we will invite you to come to the live. Okay, you may see there are 2 antenna, 1, 2. Okay, one is a long one. The long antenna is UV dual band antenna. The short one is 4G. And here there's one in the middle. We can rotate the button. You can check here, volume adjustment. Okay, we can adjust volume here. And the right side, we can just rotate the button. We can rotate the button, lower voice, loud voice. Okay, the right side PTT button send a message. Actually, there is a head mic, but the head mic is not for free, guys. This is a head mic. We can connect to the radio, to the walkie-talkie, and then press the PTT button send a message. The head mic is special designed for the 5 to 8 plus model and to the G8 plus model. It will not work. It will not work on the other models, even they're all type C. Like this one, if you want to connect the head mic to this walkie-talkie to talk, it only works under the POC mode. It will not work under the UHF analog. But this one, it will work both under the POC and under the UV dual band. They are compatible with each other because the head mic is also a dedicated head mic. Okay, for different model, the headset and the head mic, they are different. Okay, guys, do you have questions about the radio that I show in our live? If you have questions, you can ask me. I will answer directly. If no more questions, I'm gonna to pass it. Okay, show you another popular items from global-ptt. We're just showing some radios in our live. Okay, if you like it. Or you want to order it, guys, excuse me, you can check here. Okay, tap my logo picture. Excuse me. And you will see here instructions. Okay, we offer one-stop global-ptt service. Okay, you can check by yourself. And you will see how to order it. Okay, and how about some other models? Those radios are for sale. Excuse me. Next one, guys, I'm going to show you this one, the V1 model. The vehicle radio. Okay, you can just see here, guys. This is the V1, the vehicle radio. And there is a head mic. Okay. Press the PTT button, we can send the message out. Now, let me connect the power supply. Okay, it's type C. It's a type C power supply. Okay, we connect to the power supply and then turn the radio on. We also have a cigarette lighter, the round one connector for the power for this one. It's a hand size, not very big, okay, but not very small. You can see there is a QR code, okay. The QR code below there is a 15-digit number. That is the IMEI of the radio. Now the radio is ready and it just entered into the global PET1 group. We can press PET button to send a message. This is not the basic one, guys. We add SOS and GPS for it. Okay, so you can use the dispatch account. You can log in the dispatcher to check in the location. Okay, to check in the location of the radios and acquire the SOS and the position. This is the dispatch account. Okay, it's a big one. This is my dispatch account, dispatch intercom. You can log in on your computer, guys. Log in on your computer, and when you press the SOS button on the radio, it will just show out. You can see here alarm information. Okay, show the alarm information directly on the screen of your computer. Here is the hemisphere. We can choose the hemisphere. If you are in North American, you're gonna choose the West North hemisphere. Okay, there are 4 hemispheres here. We offer the global. This is a global PTT walkie-talkie, and this is also our brand. We don't have other brand. Okay, this is our only brand. We also offer some other SIMs, so you can achieve the international call between your team members, and it's totally private. Okay, it's quite secure. You don't need to worry that the other guys are gonna to hear what you are talking. Okay, if we are not in the same channel, we're not in the same group, we can't talk each other. We said it. It's totally private. Okay, and guys, press the PTT button to send a message. We need a SIM card. And guys, if you order the radios in our shop, we're gonna to go offer you this SIM card. It's good for 1 year. Okay, after 1 year, just renew SIM or buy new SIM. Okay, if you need it, you can order it. If you don't need it, you can just come here and stay here to watch my live. We come to the member. Let me show you the member. Okay, which member you want talking to? These are all my team members for now. Robert, there are some friends from USA and also some friends from England. Okay, they are online. Okay, we can just talk to them if they are online. We can mark them and talk to them. Let me try. Okay, we make a group call test. Hi. This is a group call. Okay, all the members, as long as they are online, we can listen to them and we can hear them. Okay, and this is our global PTT brand. Now, more than 1 million users, I just use our global PTT radios, guys. You can achieve the no distance limit call with your team member, and no matter where you go, you can talk to them. As long as you have the 4G coverage, it will work. POC radio is for professional use. It's different from a ham radio or CB radio or GMS radio. Just by one click or one press, we send a message out, and there is no distance limit. So it is very convenient actually. Before we ship out, we're going to set everything in the global PT system, guys. And after you get it, it will be ready to use. You don't need to set it. Okay, and you can just divide your team members to different small groups. You can put 10 guys in one group, or you can just put 5, put 3 in one group. Okay, and you can just make a temporary group call with them, just between your radios. And the other members or the other user, if they don't join you or they're not in your group, they can't talk to you. So it's much secure. And this one, guys, is quite a popular one. I posted the video for this one, guys, and there are more than 1.3 million users. They view it. So this one's quite popular. But if you don't have a power supply, it will not work. You can use this walkie-talkie for your small car, like if you go out to traveling with your family, and if you go out to do self-drive tourism, you can use this walkie-talkie and you can achieve the no distance limit call between you and your family members or your colleagues, okay, in the same group. But first, if you want to use this one, we need to create a group for you, okay? And in the group, it's totally private and there's no distance limit. That's the restriction, okay? And guys, I'm going to show you another one. You know, we have so many different designs. And at the back, okay, you can see at the back on the spinning pole, there are also some other designs. We have more than 40, okay, different designs in our live, but I can't show all because the live time is very limited, okay. But you can become our subscriber, or you can send a message to me or to the shop, and then we can answer you. And which model you like, you can tell us. We will introduce it for you. And this one is another one that I will introduce today. It's G8 Plus model. It's double band. You can see here, UHF and POC. Under the UHF analog mode, this walkie-talkie is good for 20 kilometers range, 20 kilometers distance. Okay, 350 MHz to 520 MHz, and it's POC, push-to-talk over the cellular network. There are two antennas, a long one and a short one. The long antenna is UHF antenna. The short antenna is 4G antenna. Okay, there are two PTT buttons, button 1 and button 2. Press the PTT button 1, we can send a message out under global PTT. Button 2, we send a message out under the UHF analog. Okay, and here is the clips. We can clip it on the belt. We can set it. There are 4 working modes. You can see POC mode, analog mode, mix mode, and repeater mode. We can connect it to a repeater. Okay, or we set it in analog mode only. It will not talk under POC mode. Okay, just set it in mix mode. Also, so it will just talk not only under POC but also under the analog. And if you have your own repeater, you can connect this walkie-talkie to your repeater. Okay. I have one group only on this radio, but actually I can create many. And now I have 63 members. I can create 10 groups, to 20 groups, okay, 200 groups, just as I need. And it's totally private. There's no monthly fee, no other payment. This is our technology, okay, push to talk over the cellular network. It is more like a phone, but it's much reliable than your phone because it will work even somewhere there's no 4G signal. That's why we add the UHF analog. And if your radio it has UHF analog, you can talk to some other hand radio, you can talk to some other GM's radio, just set them in the same frequency. What frequency you want to talking? You want to talk, you can just set it directly here, okay, and press the PTT button, send a message, just send a message to some other models, some other brand in the same frequency. But if you want to talk under the POC mode, POC working mode, only global PTT can talk, okay, between global PTT, okay, only same brand can talk. And guys, we are the walkie-talkie manufacturer, we are the factory. We are looking for dealers. We're looking for distributors here, guys. If you want to become our dealer, you want to become our distributor to start your radio business, to sell this walkie-talkie, guys, you can come to me, or you can go to the shop or go to the web to contact us. Okay, minimal purchase term radius. You can become our dealer to start your radio business, to sell our products. We will do rebrand for you. Okay, and this one I'm going to show you. This one's actually this was best seller. There are 2 colors. You may notice that this one's really quite similar with the APX, right? No, this is a global PTT. Our technology with motor is we're totally different technology. Okay, we don't use the P25 system. Our system is our own. It's a global PTT system. The SIM card we offer to you is a global SIM card. Okay, it's a global SIM, global PTT system. Everything are from ourselves, not from any third party. Okay, and here's our brand, Global PTT, GLOBAL, short line PTT. Okay, Global PTT, that is us. And guys, the SIM card we offer to you is a global SIM card. We can achieve the international call just between the team members. We also some other SIM card, guys. North American, Asia, South American, Africa, Oceania. Hi, welcome friend, new friend. Okay, we can achieve the international call between the team members. Last night, okay, there's one guy asked me, what is Oceania? Oceania including the Australian, okay, New Zealand, okay, you may know, okay. There are many countries included in the Oceania. If you are from Australia, you can choose the Oceania SIM. Okay, we also offer the Mexico SIM, Spain, Europe SIM. Okay, there are different SIM cards and the different SIM card plan for you to choose to talk in different country. And the one that I show here is the 6500 model. There's the clips, and the clips is just a removable one. It's different from this one, the plus. This is a plus. The clips is not removable. Okay, there's a screw here. We just use a screw to fix it directly on the walkie-talkie. But this one is just a removable. They look similar, but they are different actually. This one is the basic one. We call it the basic. We just compare to this one because this one's the plus. Okay. 528 plus is a 3 standby. Okay, and this one's a 2 standby. So the plus is more expensive, and it has more function. We add SOS and GPS. This one no SOS, GPS only. Okay, the price are different too. But under POC mode, all the main function for those walkie-talkie, they are for communicate, for team communicate, for professional communicate. Okay, communication just between your 2 radios, between your 3 radios, between your team members. I just showed you a while ago, I have 63 members now. 63 members now. Okay, I have 63 members now. Just between the 63 members, there is no distance limit. Okay, this is our walkie-talkie. If you want to join or you want to invite someone to your channel, you need to buy license from us. The license is $15. Okay, and you need to make sure they use our global-ptt platform. This is our global-ptt series. I'm going to show you here. It's global-ptt server IPS. Can check global-ptt server IPS. We have the servers in North American, in South American, Australia, Middle East, Asia country. And guys, there's a good news. We open a Japan shop. So if you are from Japan now, you can order the radios directly. Okay, and if you we're just new shop, so we have promo. Okay, you can search global-ptt Japan. You will find us. Global short line PTT. Global short line PTT. You will find us. This is our brand. Okay. I just show you this, the 6500 model, guys. If you like it, where you can order it, guys, let me show you. This is me, Sarah at global-ptt. I'm just doing the live now. Okay, you can tap the picture and show more. You will see here the instruction. We offer the one-stop global-ptt service. This is the web. Looking for distributors and dealers and agents, you can contact us. Okay, we have shop for USA customer and shop for other countries. You can go to the 2 shop. If you want to order, you can order our radios directly. If you don't need it now, you can become our subscriber first. Okay, after you become our subscriber, every time when we start our live, we will invite you to come to our live and watch our live. Now I'm gonna to pass it and show another model from global-ptt. Another one that I'm going to show in today's live, it will be this one. It is also the newly designed. It is a G6 Plus model. The Jesus Plus model, guys, it is made from metal. It's metal reduced. The metal reduced, metal materials is always harder than ABS materials one. Okay, and this one's metal.
Welcome to the
It is metal reduced, but it doesn't mean it is a whole metal. Okay, it's not a whole metal. Here it is metal. Here it is metal. Okay, but here it is not metal. Okay, it is not metal. It is not metal. It is not metal. Okay, this part is metal. Okay, guys, and we press the PTT button. We send the message out. There's the metal clips. There's antenna. Okay, this is a 4G antenna. If we remove the 4G antenna, the radio will not work anymore. And this is a 4G LTE radios. Push to talk over the cellular network. Okay, all those walkie-talkie here in our live always showed they are compatible with each other. Do you want me to measure the size? I'm going to measure the size for you, okay? Here, 7 centimeters. Okay, and here this part is 5 centimeter. Okay, the length is 10. The length is 10. Okay, the width is 7. Here is 5, and then here is 2. Yeah, here is 2.5. 2.5. Okay, here is the size of the walkie-talkie. It is not very big and it's not very small, just a palm design. A palm design. Okay, and when we press the PTT button, there will be a beep sound. Okay, this one is a global-ptt POC radios. It is compatible with any other model or any other design from global-ptt. POC radios, they are totally private. If you want to have your own business and you want to talk with your team member, this one is your first choice or your best choice. It really works great. Okay, and we can achieve the international call with it. Do you like this one, guys? Do you like this one? It is a metal radius. If you don't like it, I'm going to pass it and show some other models. Okay, we have some other models. Some ladies, they like this one because it's quite fashionable, white color, and there are 2 colors to choose. Here's a black color, 2 colors to choose, white color and black color, 2 colors for you to choose. Okay, and by press the PTT button, you can send the message. Okay, and then the antenna for this one is not removable. It's global band. So if you like to travel around, you don't need to worry that you were lost 4G. And the SIM card, guys, we offer to you. The SIM card, guys, we offer to you here is a global SIM. It is not a local SIM which will only work in USA or which will only work in UK. It's a global SIM. It covers 174 countries. Okay, so especially if you have a cross board of the team, or you have a family who work or study abroad, you can use the walkie-talkie to talk to them. But that is not the main use for this walkie-talkie. Normally, our clients, most of our clients, they use this walkie-talkie for their work, for their employees, okay, for their workers, okay. If you have a big warehouse or you have a logistic company, okay, you can buy this walkie-talkie for your workers. And when they want to talk, they can talk through the walkie-talkie. Just by one press or one click, all the team members, we can get your message. It is different from the ham radio. Ham radio, guys, it is for hobbies. And this one is for a much real and very serious condition. It is for work, for business. Okay, and if you are security team, your bodyguard, okay, your construction team, I think you do need a walkie-talkie for your workers. Okay, and this is a must have for the successful people. Okay, and we will finish our live. Do you have questions about us? If no more, please just become our subscriber, because when we doing the live, if you're not our subscriber, you will not get the message. Here, type the subscribe and become our subscriber. Okay, thank you so much for coming for today. We will leave the live. Bye bye. Have a nice day.